Saw your shadow down the street today. Thought it was just a trick of the light, but memories came flooding my way, taking me back to that fateful night. We danced till dawn with stars in our eyes, dreams woven tight in our tangled feet. Now shadows whisper silent goodbyes, and every heartbeat feels incomplete. There's a crack in my heart where you used to be, a silent scream echoing through me. Pieces scattered where love used to shine, trying to mend, but I keep losing time. Pictures fade, but the pain stays strong. Laughter echoes where silence belongs. Guess I'll carry this weight forevermore. A broken soul since you walked out the door. Words unspoken hang heavy in air, moments lost that we can't reclaim. Love was fragile but beyond repair. Now it's just a mirror reflecting our pain. There's a crack in my heart where you used to be, a silent scream echoing through me. Pieces scattered where love used to shine, trying to mend, but I keep losing time. There's a crack in my heart where you used to be, a silent scream echoing through me. Pieces scattered where love used to shine, trying to mend, but I keep losing time.